Welcome to this demonstration of NetSuite's solution for retail companies. In this demonstration, you will see how NetSuite helps retailers around the world manage sales orders from any channel all the way through the fulfillment of those orders. With NetSuite's order management and fulfillment capabilities, you can deliver on the high expectations of today's retail customers by automating processes to ensure you have inventory where you need it, when you need it. NetSuite can help improve efficiencies throughout the life cycle of an order. This can result in a streamlined fulfillment process because your employees are no longer dealing with manual processes and inaccurate inventory. It also leads to happier customers because of a reduction in out-of-stock back orders and improved shipping processes. The most common challenges we hear when talking with retailers about order management are significant because they can all result in a negative customer experience. From a customer's perspective, the order management process is simple. They simply expect to find what they are looking for, pay for it, and receive it as quickly as possible. From a retailer's perspective, the order management process can be challenging. With legacy systems, disconnected modules and databases result in a lack of inventory visibility across locations, stockouts, data that is frequently out of sync, and manual processes. These challenges will eventually lead to lost sales, frustrated employees, and even worse, lost customers. With NetSuite's unified platform, we're helping retailers solve these order management problems every day. NetSuite's retail solution simplifies the omni-channel requirements of today's retail customers. By consolidating the data within a single platform, NetSuite enables your customers to shop your company when they want, how they want, while giving your employees the tools they need to ensure you can deliver the product on time from any location. From the beginning of the order management process, NetSuite's modern cloud-based solution enables you to engage your customers wherever they are, on whichever device they choose. Since retail customers will continue to adopt new technology as it evolves, you can be confident that NetSuite will also evolve and stay up to date with the technology your customers are using. Fulfilling your customers' orders on time every time while minimizing shipping costs requires accurate inventory and an efficient shipping process. NetSuite can connect with your shipping partners in real time to provide visibility into your shipping costs. NetSuite also offers a warehouse management solution that automates the inbound and outbound processes via handheld devices. After your customer has received their order, your customer support team will have a 360-degree view of that customer, as well as every transaction and interaction you've had with that customer, making it simple to provide the highest level of support to keep your customers happy. Now that we've discussed how NetSuite can help you manage the entire order management lifecycle, let's take a look at a live demo of some of the processes.
One of the keys to delivering exceptional order management for your customers is ensuring you have accurate inventory across all locations. With NetSuite, you can provide transparent inventory visibility to both your employees and your customers. In this demo, we're going to start by viewing the merchandising dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see how the user has visibility into high-level snapshots of inventory and order-related metrics, KPIs, and reminders. All of this information is drillable, so the user can quickly view the details behind any of these metrics. Let's drill into the current inventory valuation number, where we can view the inventory valuation and on-hand quantities of all items. This report is also drillable, so the user can continue to drill into more granular data with a click of a mouse. Now let's go back to our home dashboard. On this dashboard, our user also has access to different inventory-related functions such as inventory adjustments and cycle counts. If we scroll down, we can see access to different trend reports such as our weekly orders trend and our monthly inventory trend. Our KPI meter portlet can be configured to display several different KPIs, giving the user access to toggle between these KPIs and view both current and prior period numbers. In the Reminders portlet, the user is provided with system-generated alerts that can be configured based on each user's job function. These reminders can help deliver automated workflows that allow the users to take immediate action on any of these items. Now if I click on the Reports menu option, and go down to our inventory reports, we can quickly drill into our current inventory status report. This report gives us visibility into the inventory position of each item across all locations. We can also filter this report by location. We'll pull up the Chicago Distribution Center. And now we can search for specific items or product categories to view their inventory position across this or any other location. This report is showing us our total on-hand quantity at each location, as well as our on-order, committed, and even replenishment parameters for each item location combination. Since all of this inventory data is stored within NetSuite's unified database, we can easily publish inventory availability to all selling channels, including e-commerce and in-store, so your customers and employees know exactly how much inventory is available and where it is located. Now that we've seen our inventory visibility across locations, let's drill into an existing sales order to view some of the details we can capture throughout the sales order process. I'm going to log into our customer service representative role, where we can see that this user's dashboard is set up differently than the merchandising dashboard. Here the user has quick access to different functions like creating new customer service cases, looking up customer information, placing phone orders, or processing return transactions. Now we're going to use NetSuite's global search bar to pull up a specific customer sales order. So looking at the details of this sales order, we can see our customer is Susan Adams, and this order is already partially fulfilled. On the right-hand side of the screen, we can see a summary of our totals, including the shipping charges, which can come from direct integration with partners such as UPS, FedEx, and the US Postal Service. We also have visibility into the originating sales channel of this order. In addition to common channels such as e-commerce and brick-and-mortar stores, we can also provide visibility into marketplace partners such as Amazon and eBay. Scrolling down and looking at the line item details of this order, we can see that Susan has ordered 2 different items. Over on the right-hand side, we can see that our fulfillment locations for these items are split between the Chicago Distribution Center and a Chicago store. With NetSuite's advanced order management capabilities, these locations were automatically applied to the order based on inventory availability and business rules that you set up. These business rules define how the system will prioritize fulfillment locations. Through this process, the system will automatically select the most efficient location for fulfillment based on the rules that you set up. So now let's click on the shipping menu option to view our shipping details. By integrating directly into shipping partners such as UPS, we can provide exact shipping costs based on the ship to address as well as the shipping method selected. We'll also capture the tracking number for this order and store it with this order. So once the order is shipped, an email can be sent directly to the customer that will include the tracking number for their reference. Looking at the billing details of this order, we can see that NetSuite is storing Susan's credit card number. NetSuite is fully PCI compliant and can securely store your customer's credit card information without ever exposing the unencrypted credit card number. Now that we've looked at some of the details of this order, let's log into our warehouse manager role and discuss the execution of the fulfillment process. On this dashboard, our user is alerted to any incoming purchase orders that need to be received, sales orders that need to be fulfilled, as well as overall performance metrics and various reports. To execute the fulfillment of Susan's order, NetSuite offers a warehouse management solution. And since this solution is built on NetSuite's unified platform, it has access to that same detailed order information we just reviewed, as well as the shipping label and tracking number from our integration with UPS. By drilling into our receiving menu option, we can actually view and print the integrated shipping label from any order to be fulfilled. From this screen, our warehouse manager can select one or more shipping labels to be printed. And here we can see our UPS shipping label with the tracking number embedded. Now let's go back to our home dashboard. Now that Susan has purchased and received her items, let's log back into our customer service representative role and view Susan's profile. Let's do a global search for our customer Susan Adams. By drilling into Susan's profile, we can see the basics like her contact information and default address, but we can also drill into her entire history of transactions as well as every item she's purchased with us. All of this information can help customer service reps provide the best possible service if Susan ever calls with a question. So from the same screen, we can click on the Support menu option to view any existing or prior customer service cases that were opened by Susan. Here we can see a service case that's in progress regarding a broken zipper on a backpack that Susan previously ordered. Our customer service rep now has access to all the information they'll need to resolve this problem for Susan to keep her as a satisfied customer. By offering a seamless experience for both your customers and employees, NetSuite can help you deliver on the omni-channel expectations of every customer. Throughout the entire order management lifecycle to the customer support process, NetSuite can help you deliver the right product at the right time wherever it is needed.
As you've seen in this demonstration, NetSuite can help automate and streamline your order management process to deliver an exceptional customer experience every time. By bringing inventory and customer data into a single database, NetSuite has simplified this complex business problem by giving your employees real-time visibility into inventory across locations, as well as complete visibility into how your customers are interacting with your company and what they're buying. Real-time dashboards, reporting, workflows, and alerts empower your employees to work more effectively and efficiently, which ultimately leads to happier customers. This concludes our presentation and overview of NetSuite for retailers. Thank you.